Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to online classes of class 4. This is a maths class. Okay, in last class we are done till chapter 6, that is multiplication. So today we will be starting division, that is chapter 7. Okay, so division you have been doing this in class 2 as well as 3 and now in 4. Okay, so division, as multiplication I had said, is repeated addition. So division is a repeated subtraction. Okay, so it is given in exercise 7a. This is a revision exercise which you have done in class 3. So the question is, divide in your notebook. I have written it over here. Question number 1, okay, A, it is 3264 divided by 4. So the question is written, so 3264 divided by 4. So the first digit is 4 and you have to divide this number, that is 3264. So the number which you divide, this is the dividend. The number by which you divide is the divisor. After dividing, the answer that you get is the quotient, and what remains, that is the remainder. So in the dividend, the first number is 3. 3 is less than 4. That means it cannot be divided. So you will go to the next digit also. So 3 and 2 makes 32. Now 32 is more than 4. Now you can divide. So you will divide. 4 will go 8 times. 4 8s are 32. So to get this, you have to see that the number by which you are multiplying, after that the product that you get, it should not increase this number, that is 32. It should not be more than that. Okay, and when the remainder is there, the remainder should not be more than the divisor. Okay, it should be always less than the divisor. So 4 8s are 32, remainder will become 0. Now you will bring down 6. 6 can be divided by 4, so 4 will go one time. 4 1s are 4, remainder 2. You will bring down 4 again, 24. 4 will go 6 times. 4 6s are 24, remainder 0. So after dividing, the quotient, this is the quotient. So quotient is equal to 816 and remainder is equal to 0. This is the remainder, that is remaining. Okay, now next question, question number D. 7776 divided by 6. Okay, you will write it. It is already written. Now 6, as I had said, you got 7 the first digit, so 6 will go one time. 6, if you take it 2 times, it will become 12. That is more than 7, so it should not be more than 7. So from 7 you subtract 6, 1, bring down 7, 17. 6 will go 2 times. 6 2s are 12, remainder 5. If you take it 3 times, it will become 18. So 17 is less than 18, so it cannot go, it will go less than that. So 2 times, that is 12. So you will bring the next digit, 57. Now 6 will go how many times? That is 9 times. 6 9s are 54. From 7 4, remainder 3, bring down 6, 36. Now 6 will go 6 times. 6 6s are 36, remainder 0. So the quotient is 1296 and remainder is 0. Okay, now the next question is question number H. It is 8992 divided by 8. So the first digit is 8. Now 8 will go one time. 8 1s are 8, remainder 0, bring down 9. 8 will go again one time, 8. If you take it 2 times, it will become 16. 16 is more than 9, so you cannot take it. Okay, so it will go one time. 8 1s are 8, remainder 1, bring down again the next digit, that is 9, 19. Now 8 will go 2 times. 8 2s are 16, remainder 3. If you take it 3 times, so if you take it 3 times, it will become 8 3s are 24. 24 is more than 19, so it cannot go. So it will go 2 times 16. remainder 3, bring down to 32. 8 will go 4 times, 8 4s are 32, remainder 0. So what is the quotient? The quotient is 1124 and the remainder is 0. Now the next question is 5140 divided by 16. Okay, so 16 will go 3 times, 16 3s are 48. Okay, now the same thing we have to see, it should not increase this number. Okay, so if you take it 4 times, it will become 16 4s are 64. So it was more than 51, so it will not go. So that is why it will go 3 times, 48. From 11 8 3 you will bring down 4, 34. Now 16 will go 2 times, 16 2s are 32. From 4 to remainder 2, bring down 0. 20, 16 will go 1 time, 16 1s are 16, remainder 4. So the quotient is 321 and the remainder is 4. Okay, now the next question, 6080 divided by 95. Now 95 is a big number, you cannot know the tables by heart. So in this case what you will do, you will make a rough column and you will show the working over there, how you are knowing that how many times it will go. So now the first 2 digit is 60. 60 is less than 95, so it cannot be divided. We will take the next digit, that is 8. So this will become 608. Now 608 is more than 95. Okay, so that means it can be divided. So you will divide. Now to know how many times it will go, if you see the tables, okay, you don't know the tables of 95 because it is a big number. So what you do in a rough column like this, okay, you can make a rough column, write over your rough, and what you do is you multiply 95 into 1 will be 95, 95 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18, 1 19, 95 into 3, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 9s are 27, 128, 95 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 9s are 36 and 2 38, 95 into 5, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 9s are 45 and 2 47. Like this you keep on multiplying till you come till 9 times or 10 times, whatever. Now you have to check over here which number is coming close. There is nothing, so that means you have to go more further. So you will multiply again like that. 95 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 6 9s are 54 and 3 57. So 570. Now you can see 570 is close to 608. So that means it will go how many times? 6 times. Now it will be easy for you. So 6 times. Now suppose you have to check it. So 6 5s are 30. So 0 carry 3. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57. 570. That means both is same. So from 808. Okay, from 10 7 3. So remainder 38, bring down 0, 380. 95, you can see there is 380 over here, so that means 95 will go 4 times, that is 380, remainder 0. So the quotient is 64 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so this way you will not make a mistake. Alright, so this is the best way that you can do division with a greater number. We'll do question number Q. 8724 divided by 18. Okay, and then last we'll do number T, that is 9876 divided by 63. Okay, so first is question number Q, 8724 divided by 18. Okay, now 87 is greater than 18, so that means it can be divided. Now you got 87, now 18. 18 will go how many times? 18 will go 4 times. 4 8s are 32, so 2 carry 3, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, now from 7 you subtract 2, that is 5. From 8 to subtract 7, that is 1. Bring down 2. Now 18, 152, 18 will go 8 times. 8 8s are 64, so 4 carry 6, 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14. So from 12 4 8, from 4 4 0, bring down 4. So 84. Now 18 will go, you can see over here 72, so it will go 4 times, that is 72. From 4 you subtract 2, 2, 8 7 1. So the quotient is 484 and remainder is 12. Okay, now the next question is 9876 divided by 63. Okay, so 9876 divided by 63. First number, the first 2 digit 9 and 8, 98 can be divided by 63 because this is greater. So it will go 1 time, 63. From 8 3 5, from 9 6 3, bring down 7. So 357. Now 63. 63 it can go 5 times. 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. From 7 5 2. From 5 1 4. Bring down 6. Okay, so you will bring down 6. So 424, now you got 63. So 63, it will go 6 times. Okay, 6 3s are 18, carry 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. So from 16 8, 8. From 11 7, 4. And from 3 3 0. So remainder is 48. So quotient is equal to 156 and remainder is 48. Okay. Now we'll move to exercise 7b. Okay, in exercise 7b it says fill in the blanks. Okay, the division is given by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, and you without dividing you have to write the quotient and the remainder. I'll tell you about it now. Okay, this is exercise 7b. Okay, it says fill in the blanks. Number A